Let's get one thing straight. Execution beats everything. Ideas are great. Plans are important. But at the end of the day, what matters is, did you do the work? When I first started my online business journey, I was full of ideas. I had notebooks of strategies, pages of brainstorms. I'd stay up late planning, tweaking, refining, but I wasn't making money. I wasn't building momentum. You know why? Because I wasn't executing. See, in the military, we were trained to act. Not recklessly, but with precision. You get a mission, you prep, and then you go. No delays, no perfectionism. You move, and you adjust along the way. But too many people, veterans included, fall into the trap of endless preparation. We overthink, we hesitate, we convince ourselves we're almost ready. But here's the reality. Waiting doesn't make you better. Doing does. My first real win didn't come from a flawless funnel. It came from hitting send on an imperfect email. That's it. One action, one click, one step forward. That was the breakthrough. Because success isn't about having the perfect system. It's about using the system you have. Execution builds confidence. Execution creates feedback. Execution is the only way forward. And if you're a veteran, you already have the mindset for it. You've followed orders. You've led under pressure. You've adapted in chaos. Now it's time to apply those same traits to your own mission, to build your freedom, your income, your future. So stop asking, what if I'm not ready? Ask, what's the next move? And then make it. Because no one's coming to save you. But you've already been trained to lead.